how to log in Binance in India. Now, first of all, let me tell you that it doesn't matter from where you're trying to log in, because the process to log in is pretty much the same and the app is also the same. So just make sure to download the official Binance app from your Play Store or your App Store, wherever you're from. And once you open the Binance app, right there you'll find this option that says sign up or login. You can simply go to sign up or login button right there. At the bottom, you can see this option that says login right here. So just go to the login button. Now it'll ask you to enter the email or the phone number associated with your account. So make sure to enter it. So if you're from India, you want to make sure to enter your phone number if you want to, but it's totally up to you. You can also just enter your email address. Just hit the next button right there, and once you've done that, on the next page you just have to enter your password. Now if you're not sure what password you have typed in, you can just tap on this eye icon right there if you want to view the password you typed in. In case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the forgot password button to reset it using your phone number and email to be able to log in. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically log into Binance in India, or specifically wherever you're from. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.